Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this video, I want to talk about today about evaluating your insurance coverage. I'm talking about all of your insurance: health, life, car, riders, homeowners, the works. It's going to depend upon which of these occurrences happen, but you just want to have this in mind when you're going through any of these different situations. Check your insurance. You'll be glad if anything happens. The first category, and I've got these broken down into three categories: life changes, status changes, and property changes. And the first one is life changes. Major life changes. You finish school, you finish an advanced degree, you get a salary or pay change either because you took on another job or because your existing employer increased or decreased the salary, or you got a new job and a better job. The next section is status change. Typically we think about maybe marital status. So if you go from single to married, married to divorced, married to widowed, have no kids to kids, whether adopted, step, biological, what have you. You create a trust, you start receiving beneficiary payments or benefits as a beneficiary of a trust. You receive an inheritance, you sell a business, you win the lottery. Any of those things we would consider a status change. You need to check your insurance coverage. And the final item is property or stuff or toys. Some people refer to it as toys. You get a car, you get another car, you get an RV, you get a Jeep, you get a putzing around a car for your dog. You modify a van for special needs, for wheelchair access. You acquire a new property, a vacation home, a bigger house, a smaller house, a condo from a house to a condo. You change apartment and now you're in a house. Any of those property issues. Then you have the more toy type category: boats, sporting equipment, guns. You build a pool at your house, you modify the house to add an addition, to add a sunroom, to finish the basement. You buy a trampoline for the kids. You get a four-wheeler for camping. You get camping equipment. And this is whether you buy these things or, again, if you inherit these things. And again, that would also include jewelry. Any significant jewelry, any collections. You get a Remington you've been saving for. You buy art at a local art store, or you buy it off of Sotheby's auction. Any individual pieces or in the aggregate, you want to think about your insurance and evaluate it. It's a lot better to do it in advance than to wait and have something happen and then you are not sure if you have the coverage or not. So I hope that this is helpful. Just put insurance on there in any of these situations and you'll be good to go. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoy this video, please let us know by subscribing, and sharing. See you next time.